So if you are looking for Web3 community to join to learn Web3 or crypto, this video is for you. All right. So do well to like this video and share it with your contact. All right. If you're not following me already, give me a follow. Okay. So I've said it earlier that the best way for you to learn Web3 quicker is by joining crypto project communities, either their Telegram or their Discord, and interact with them, study about the project, ask questions relating to the project in the community, and the project admins will respond to you based on your questions, and you learn from there faster. All right. So in case you want to join crypto project communities but you don't know how to go about it, this is how to get crypto projects and join their community. Let's dive right into it. So you will need to have either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko app on your mobile phone, or you can visit their website. All right. You can see CoinMarketCap here, and you can see CoinGecko here also. All right. And also have Telegram and Discord app on your phone as well. So right now, let me use CoinMarketCap. All right. So what to do right here now is this: click on this search button at the top here. Then the next thing, swipe this to your left hand side. Okay. So you will see recently added here. Click on it. So now we'll look for any of these project communities to join. Let's choose one here. Happy. Please note, not meme coins. Okay, we are not looking for meme coins communities to join. We are looking for projects that have real utility, not meme coins. All right. So let's click on this Atus. Okay, this is Atus. Current price $11. So we are not here for the price. Okay, we are just here to check their communities and join their communities, right? So you just go down. Okay. So at the bottom here, you will see about Atoshi. You can read about the project here to know what the project is doing about them here. Okay. So here you see their website. You can go to their websites to check them out. You can see the white paper here. Click on this white paper to read about the project, what they are developing. Okay, what they are building. Read about it, what they are building. So it is through this white paper you will have questions to ask in the community. All right. So right now, the next thing you do is this: you join the community. You can join the Twitter community or Telegram or Discord. But this very one right here, we don't know if they have Telegram or Discord yet. Okay. So they have 3 chats here. We don't know the one that is Telegram or Discord. So click on this first chat to check. No. This is not Telegram or Discord. Look at the second forum. Let's click on the forum to see. Not Telegram or Discord also. This is I think they have their personal chats in a group. Their personal community. No. Go back. The Chinese project. Let's check this last one forum. See the same thing? No. We don't need this. Okay, so after you have checked all this, you are not seeing either Telegram or Discord community. Go to their website, right? Go to their website, right? Sometimes their Telegram community link will be on their main website. So let's go to their website right now. Click on website. All right, here's their website. Let's go down to the footer. This is the footer. You will see Telegram here, right? Okay, yeah. Click on Telegram. Okay, this is their Telegram community. All right. But the community members are huge, man. 170,000 community members. Okay. So right now, we can start chatting from this group right now. Hello, any admin here? Any admin here? Okay, let me start. Let me see if there's any admin online. So once you drop a message in the community, just wait for some time. Admin will respond to you. All right. Then you ask questions about the project. You can see the number of users, 170,000 members. It's very huge. Okay. And secondly, the reason why I decide to use recently added instead of using coins that are being in existence for long is that for recently added project, it means that those projects are still very new. So when you get the community is still very much active, and the admin will have enough time to attend to you. Unlike when you join a project that have been in existence for years, the admins will not have your time again. You get the point now? They will not have the time to explain the project to you from scratch. You get the point. And secondly, when you're joining a community, make sure that the numbers of the community members is not that huge. It's not that much, okay? Don't look for community that have large numbers of members. No. Look for the ones that have lesser numbers, at least 5,000 below or 10,000 below, all right? Because that community, the admin will have enough time to work with you or attend to you. So join a community that have lesser numbers so that the admin will have time to interact with you, all right? I hope this helped you. As always, it's Crypto Sam. Don't forget to hit on the follow button if you don't follow me already. Like this video and share with your contacts. See you on the next one. Bye for now.